The Delta variant has finally made its way here to Kent County.
But doctors suspect it's probably been here long before that lab result that we just received.
Well, while we've just recognized the variant in recent testing, the reality is we know this variant has been here for some time.
The one positive lab test result doesn't truly give us a good picture of just how prevalent the variant is in Kent County.
The reality is that people need to know that this particular strain of coronavirus is more contagious than what we have seen over the last year and a half. And so it is going to spread quicker amongst people who are unvaccinated. The good news is these vaccines that we have are very safe and they are very effective for all strains, including Delta.
The CDC estimating the variant accounts for 83% of all COVID cases in the country. Here in Kent County, total COVID positivity cases have gone from 2% to 2.8%.
So our numbers are starting to tick a little bit in the wrong direction. However, overall, our average case number, our hospitalizations, our rate of death, those numbers are all pretty low right now. We want to keep it that way, though, and that's where it's important for people to take those steps to make sure that we're keeping these numbers low and that no one suffers needlessly.
Infectious disease experts say the best protection is the vaccine. They're asking you to reconsider if you haven't already been vaccinated.
If you are not vaccinated, this variant poses a significant threat to you. And if you, for whatever reason, you're not vaccinated and you are staunchly opposed to getting vaccinated, I would highly suggest you at least take some safety measures, wear a mask, avoid crowds, keep your distance from people, and wash your hands regularly.
Dr. Liam Sullivan with Spectrum Health says vaccines have been proven to work. Those who have already rolled up their sleeves have protection, but it's not foolproof.
But so I think for vaccinated people, by and large, you can continue to go about your lives as you've been going about it. You may want to be a little bit cognizant of being in crowds and, being really close to other people and in being in poorly ventilated areas. And if you're in any of those situations, wearing a mask may not be a bad idea because it will help. That will further cut down on your risk for developing potential infection.
Michigan has over 70 confirmed cases of the Delta variant, but it's likely much more than that because the state lab does not test every single sample they receive.